Are you a blogger, podcaster, authority website owner, or maybe an affiliate marketer? Perhaps you sell your own products online. Do you operate your own e-commerce stores, such as Amazon, Commission Junction, or sell any other physical goods online? Maybe you're an offline marketer. Do you host webinars? In fact, do you own any website whatsoever? Because if you answered yes, then pay close attention to what I'm about to introduce to you, because it'll help you grow your business, collect more leads, and earn more profits in your bank account. Hi there, my name is Chad Nicely, and today I want to reveal a project that's been in the works for as long as I can remember. And this was a software that's supposed to be launched over 6 months ago, but we kept coming back to the drawing board with new ideas and features that are absolutely going to blow your mind away. And I'll get back to that here in just a minute. But first, let me tell you how this all came about. Because it was actually common frustrations that you and me experience every day online. And the sad reality is that most people that visit your site, they leave without taking any action. This means you don't capture the lead, you don't make the sale, you get nothing, nada. And as online marketers, this can be very frustrating, especially considering the fact that we're spending money each and every day on traffic. And if you're not doing that, then chances are you've put a lot of work into building your pages and your sales funnels. Now, the solution for a while was to capture the viewer's attention with an exit pop-up. You know, the little pop-up that makes a window sound and then traps them in their browser. And this was working for a couple years. It worked very well. But then exit technology became very advanced, and we started seeing those really fancy light boxes that appeared when you loaded the page, made any kind of mouse movement, scrolled up and down on the page, or in many cases, these light boxes were on a timer. And they were beautiful, and the best part is they worked. And they were capturing my attention, and all the big retailers and the Fortune 500 companies were using them very effectively on their websites. So we instructed our marketing team to set up the same kind of technology on all of our sites. But what we didn't realize when we made that request was that this exit technology was not cheap. As a matter of fact, the service that we were going to sign up with wanted as much as $6,000 a month. Yes, you heard that right, $6,000 a month, no joke. And that's a bit pricey even for our marketing budgets. So we did a little bit of research, discovered what these companies were doing, what people liked about them, and how they could be improved. And what we discovered is these services were actually created for people who were not necessarily marketers. And the truth is, once we were inside these services, we found them to be extremely complicated, very time consuming, and the services didn't do everything that we were looking to do. So we said, you know what? Screw it. Let's just build our own solution. And this was the start of LeadMonster. Now, here were the goals and the objectives with LeadMonster. We needed a web-based platform that was very easy to navigate with a simple and intuitive design. Our technology needed to work for any type of page, including HTML, WordPress, and even those fancy page builders that hit the market last year. We wanted to give the user the ability to deploy Lightboxes in a matter of minutes without overcomplicating the software and giving you too many options to choose from. Now, the software also needs to include simple drag and drop templates that could very easily be deployed. Why? Well, because you're losing leads without this technology. Now, we've done just that and so much more with LeadMonster. And this really is the most advanced exit technology on the internet today. And it's the last piece of software you will ever need. Now, this one amazing software is going to replace all the apps, plugins, and services you're currently using. Guaranteed. We're doing things with LeadMonster that you have never seen before. For example, you're able to deploy high converting light boxes and pop-ups that have all the right calls to action, such as opt-in forms, with two-step opt-in, micro commitments, video calls to actions, even webinar signups. But we're just getting started. What if I told you you could very easily place a drop-down menu on the lead capture page pop-up, and this allows your viewer to choose which list they'd like to subscribe to or which URL you're sending them to. How about having animations appear inside the light box that'll really grab your viewer's attention, but not just the buttons, even the text inside the light box. And if that wasn't enough, the whole entire light box is animated. Then there's my favorite feature of all. Picture this. Imagine having all your video light box campaigns already deployed on all your sites. And rather than having to edit each campaign, what if I told you we set it up so that LeadMonster would pull the latest video from your channel or your playlist? Imagine the possibilities, because the money really is in the list. It always has been, it always will be. This will never change. Your list is your biggest single asset you have in your business, which means you need to do everything you can to capture those leads. And as marketers, we know this. So we built this software to handle our own needs, which means it will definitely handle your needs as well. Now, I know your time is valuable, so we created a short little demonstration that shows you the exact power of this simple yet premium SaaS exit intent technology. So watch this video, and I'll be back in just a minute. Now you see why I'm so excited. So it's time for you to get your hands on LeadMonster, the next level SaaS web-based software, and make it work for you. So if you're watching this video right now, that means you still have a chance to pick up LeadMonster for this unbelievable introductory launch limited time special. But I must warn you, once our 5-day launch special ends, this premium SaaS web-based platform, LeadMonster, will be increasing by 664% to a monthly subscription. So lock in your access to LeadMonster right now. And within minutes, you're going to be building your lists, promoting other offers to your exiting visitors, forcing your visitors to make micro commitments, offering strong calls to actions using the power of video, signing up your viewers for upcoming webinars. You can even split test your campaigns, and we provide you with full statistics so that you know exactly which one of your campaigns are converting the best. And you'll get access to the retargeting functionality where you simply copy and paste your retargeting code either from Facebook, Perfect Audience, or AdRoll. And then this retargeting pixel is fired whenever that pop-up is loaded. And there's so much more. As a matter of fact, I can guarantee that there have been features added to the software since we shot this video. And the reason why is because we listen to our customers and implement the ideas they suggest to us. So LeadMonster is just that. It's a monster that won't quit growing or expanding. Now, I've said before, this is the most superior exit intent technology to hit the internet today. So if you're anxious to see more, then be sure to watch the complete video walkthrough of LeadMonster just a little further down the page. But right now, today, you can access LeadMonster at an unbelievable introductory launch limited time price. But since our 5-day launch special ends, this premium SaaS web-based platform, LeadMonster, will be increasing to a 664% reoccurring subscription. So now is your chance. And just a fair warning, when the timer below this video hits 0, well, that's it. We'll be increasing the price to a monthly subscription. Also, remember you're backed by a no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. However, we're not the least bit concerned because we know you're going to love the premium platform and you're going to be able to build your list much faster as a result of deploying LeadMonster. So lock in your access right now and we'll see you on the inside.